It's late. Let's order food quickly. I'm starving. Let's order some biryani quickly from this restaurant before all places close. Please no, they always cancel orders around their closing time. The delivery guy said the restaurant was closed. It's happened to me 3 times. And the one time they confirmed my order, they did not have the kakuri kebabs I ordered. They were replacing it with chapli kebabs instead. I got super irritated and just cancelled the whole order. Okay, wait, I found this great place. Has great ratings. Let's order from here. Cool, I've actually heard good reviews about this one. I'm very excited to try their food. Woohoo! Our order is just 22 minutes away.
Did you know you could be losing your precious customers too with every cancelled order, just like we saw now?
Here are top 7 tips to help you reduce order cancellations that will automatically boost your profits and growth. Number 1. Restaurants usually change their outlet timings from when they first start on Swiggy, but forget to update the new timings on the platform. Incorrect outlet timings is the number 1 reason for order cancellations on Swiggy. So please connect with partner support to check if your outlet timings match and request for a change if needed. Updating the new timings will take only a day's time and will make massive improvement in your order cancellation rate. Number 2. If you're planning to keep your outlet closed for a festival, make sure that you close your outlet on Swiggy too. An easy way to close your outlet for a day is to switch it off from the partner app or partner website. If you're planning to close the outlet for half a day, you can switch it off accordingly and switch it back on when you're ready to serve orders. This way, you will never have to cancel any orders. Number 3. Have you changed your outlet's location recently? Have you updated the details on Swiggy? This could be leading to delivery partners landing up at your restaurant's old location and cancelling orders. So check with the partner support team if your outlet's accurate location is updated. Number 4. Want to get some renovation work done at your outlet? Or want to take a break to go on a holiday? Make sure you put your restaurant on a holiday slot for this period so that you don't get orders which land up getting cancelled. A holiday slot is nothing else but switching off your outlet from the platform for a longer duration that suits your needs.
This simple procedure can help in reducing cancellations significantly. This way, you won't have to worry either about switching off your outlet every day or about order cancellations.
Number 5. Your restaurant's signboard has a big role to play in your Swiggy orders. It has been found that delivery partners in many cases cancel orders while standing outside an outlet stating they could not locate it because of the absence of a visible signboard. So make sure that your signboard is big enough, has the same name on it as listed on Swiggy, and is placed at a visible spot just outside the outlet that is hard to miss. Number 6. There might be times when some items on your menu run out of stock and you cannot restock them instantly. In such cases, always switch off those items from the partner app or website immediately. You can switch off the item till the next day or even till a later date if it is going to take you longer to restock. This way, customers don't order them and you don't have to cancel such orders. You can similarly switch off items where a certain raw material used to prepare the item has run out of stock. Suggesting alternative dishes when you can't prepare an ordered item also results in cancellations. Customers place orders with great thrill, but when they are asked to settle for a different item instead of the one they ordered, they cancel the whole order and mostly never order from you again. So stay alert and proactive about your out-of-stock items to keep cancelled orders low and customer experience high. Number 7. Do you have items that are available only at a special time or a special day?
If the timings of such items are not updated correctly, you can get orders for them anytime, leading to cancellations and your loss.
Did you know? For every cancelled order, you lose 7.5% of the order value. It might also lead to the outlet getting automatically closed for the rest of the day, thus leading to loss in orders and business. Your online customers are as important as your offline ones, and creating good experience for them is fundamental. So kick out the habit of cancelling orders and welcome the goodness of doing good business.